In this video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Ultimate Files Downloader. Ultimate Files Downloader is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This is the extension that actually operates as adware. Once installed, it may display its advertisements that are really annoying, and periodically they may pop up in your computer screen without your intention. If this extension was mistakenly installed, you need to get rid of it. Otherwise, you'll keep facing plenty of these ads on your screen. So let us get rid of this unwanted extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, select Extensions. Then, if you find this extension, disable and remove it completely from your Google Chrome browser. So after you have successfully done that, the trouble should be fixed. But I also recommend that you restart your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly remain on the system. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.